Today I'm sharing a step-by-step tutorial on how to create an easy party eye makeup look for beginners. Let's begin. First, I prime my eyelids with MAC Soft Ochre Eyeshadow Primer using a small flat brush and blend it out. This will help to make your eyeshadow last all night. Then I used the Makeup by Mario Master Matte eyeshadow palette. I go in with this brown as my transition shade. Next, I applied a deeper brown at the outer section to contour and lift the eyes. Decided to make it a little darker by adding this gray color. Next, take a clean fluffy eyeshadow brush to diffuse the color in the crease using back and forth motion. This makes everything look seamless. Next, I applied a lighter shade at the inner third of the eye using a flat eyeshadow brush to create a smooth and even base for the shimmery color. This will make the shimmery shadow appear more vibrant. Using a small smudge brush to apply the same deep color on the lower lash line to balance the look and create a smoky effect. Now the fun part. Applying Too Faced Disco Crush Magic Sprinkles eyeshadow using a flat eyeshadow brush. Applying powder under the eyes to catch fallout. This is a multi-use eye and face sparkle. Blending where the two shadows meet with the same brush we used to apply the deeper shadow. Using Wet and Wild eyeliner to create a wing to elongate and lift the eyes. Taking a small angled brush, dipping it into this black matte shadow to set the eyeliner. This prevents your eyeliner from cracking and fading. Coating lashes with mascara from root to tip, slightly tilting my head to prevent it from messing up my eyelid. Lining the lower lash line with black eyeliner. This is MAC Feline Liner. Setting it with eyeshadow. Now we can remove the powder from the under eye.
Good time.
Decided to place the shimmery shadow at the inner section of the lower lash line. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Defining the lower lashes with mascara. Adding lashes for extra volume. Using an eyeliner pen to apply lashes. This is an eyeliner and lash glue in one. Then apply lashes. Adding the finishing touches, applying MAC Peaches blush to add color. Nothing too overpowering since we have a lot of drama on the eyes. Lining the lips with my most used lip liner. This is Makeup Forever Limitless Brown. I like to use it on my lips and eyes. Then topped it off with my favorite gloss. This is the Hourglass Wish 95 gloss. It's very glossy and it also plumps the lips. And a little highlight. Can't do without that extra glow. Now let's set the makeup in place with Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. And there you have it. Perfect holiday eye makeup look that's quick and easy. Thanks for watching. Wishing you all a very happy holiday season. See you in the next video. Bye.